ChatGPT and me are collabing on some tuna sushi rolls. So in here we've got soaked raw sunflower seeds. These will actually grow little tails, which is cool because a lot of them, they won't do that. I'll link below where I get those from. So we've got, the recipe calls for lemon juice, but I did my probiotic pickle brine, and it calls for coconut aminos. I did my 2-year aged tamari because I love that umami, and sesame oil. Because it's toasted, I really do not use it very often, but I did have this black truffle oil. So I threw a little bit of that in there. And this is the 2-year aged tamari that I just absolutely love. My probiotic pickles using that brine. And then there's garlic powder, onion powder, and you can do salt and pepper to taste. So we're gonna blend this up. And I have a whole cutting board of veggies. So we've got avocados, tomatoes, celery, scallions, cucumbers, bell peppers, Thai basil, OMG, an absolute must. Hard to find. That's from the farmer's market, local and organic. And then we also have some fermented carrot ginger deliciousness. So we are going to blend this up, wrap it up in some organic raw nori, and we will see how it tastes. It's gonna be my dinner, y'all. So it wasn't the easiest. I would love to make everything in these personal blenders, you know, but they're just not that strong. I do have a new machine, I believe it's a Ninja, that I'm gonna be unboxing and trying out in hopes, because it makes like smoothie bowls, ice creams, pates, nut butters. There is a handle on top that you can help to really, because that's kind of like the tamper on the Vitamix, where you can really help to mix it, right? So that's what it looks like. It was looking a little bit liquidy because I added a little bit more to see if it would blend well. So I threw in some avocado, but I think that using a food processor is much better. That's what I generally use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and then I will come right back. So I threw in some alfalfa sprouts, my homegrown alfalfa sprouts, and we've got some wasabi powder. So this is not genuine. I mean, it says horseradish, mustard, and wasabi, but I've been using this throughout the years. Definitely has a kick, and I will show you the wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it all up, and let's give it a tasting. Of course, I made enough for 2. We'll see if I end up wanting another one. I didn't even try to make it pretty. I mean, I cut them in a hurry, but we're trying it. Here we go. That wasabi totally reminds me of real sushi. I worked at 2 different sushi restaurants. One was an Asian fusion, so I've tried all the exotic things, plus going out to eat sushi. Obviously, that's been a really long time because I've been vegan for over 4 years, but the tamari really gives it that umami. I kind of drizzled the wasabi. I definitely want a little bit more. You're supposed to cover it, so I use this little guy with the lid. And there's the wasabi. And you can make it thicker into a paste, or you can, you know, I made it a little bit more liquidy, but yeah, it's really nice. I definitely think it will taste way better with the tamari or soy than coconut aminos, because coconut aminos is sweet and it lacks that umami, that depth. Scallions are important. If you have like mint, Thai basil, cilantro, and the scallions are really, really key, and the avocado. I think that the seaweed with the avocado and the tamari and the wasabi, that's what makes it taste like a real sushi. So anyway, y'all, hope you enjoyed this collab. Look at that. That is hilarious. Real life, for real right here. Let me know how you like to make your sushi rolls. I like to make it with natto, or I made it with just like avo and different veggies. So let me know below, and let me know if you want to see some more collabs with me and my homie ChatGPT. Ciao.